Hi, I'm Ruoraping and today I rant on the children cheering sound effect. The children cheering sound effect is since 1999. 1. In a Kimi no Morphon 67 video of Ring Ring Dong Dong All Stars F Mukbang, Unboxing and Surprise Box. When the girl says let's open the mukbang, unboxing and surprise box and the confetti falls down, the sound begins to come up, and when the girl says, wow, Your Majesty is lovely, the sound begins to come up again. 2. It was heard of in Suki Glitter Force Fan 762 video Ring Ring Dong Dong All Stars event, Sing Along, Key Ring Shop and Toys Shop and Rinku Premium Outlet Vlog, when she says, yay! Majesty and Glossy Ping we loved, the sound begins to come up, and when she buys 2 key rings and she says, yay, I have Chu Ni and Kier Cosmo key ring, the sound begins to come up again. 3. It was heard of in Kumi Onping 72 video of the adventures of Pretty Kier All Stars Season 7. Episode 56 called Let's Share a Cake. When Kyrie Toile says let's eat the strawberry cake, the sound begins to come up. 4. It was heard in Happy Learning intro. When the text says Happy Learning, the sound begins to come up. 5. It was heard in a Zukyun 666 video of Ring Ring Dong Dong All Stars F musical show in Osaka vlog. When she says I arrived to Osaka travel, the sound begins to come up, and she says, I arrived to Kyocera Dome Osaka, yay! The sound begins to come up again. 6. It was heard in a Cartoon Network bumper. When Tay text says block party, the sound begins to come up in a low volume. 7. It was heard in Oogie and the Cockroaches Next Generation Episode 5. When the clown says yay, the sound begins to come up, and when the clown put the nose in his face, the sound begins to come up again. And last, 8. It was heard of Kirenyemi 276 video called Osaka Travel Vlog. Ring Ring Dong Dong All Stars event with Suki Glitter Force Fan 762 and her brother called Kenny. When she says, today I go to Ring Ring Dong Dong event, the sound begins to come up.